Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to open Play Store because we have to install Ampere app from here. Now we can install. As you can see, it's installed, so now we can open the app. Here we can click OK, consent, and right here is health of our battery. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!